Today, let's talk about English expressions, part 3. Are you ready? Beat up. Beat up meaning to hit someone repeatedly, hampasin ng paulit-ulit. Example, hinampas siya ng grupo. Pagkatapos ng away, the gang beat him up after fight. Another common use, beat up can also describe something that looks old or damaged. Example, my old shoes are really beat up. Luma at sira-sira na talaga ang sapatos ko. Power move, meaning an action that show confidence, strength, or control. Example, parang pagpapakita na ikaw ang may control o malakas ang position mo. Quitting that job and starting your own business was a power move. Ang pagalis mo sa trabaho at pagsisimula ng sarili mong negosyo ay isang matapang na hakbang. A couple of meaning, usually two, but in casual English, it can also mean a small number, a few, dalawa o konti. Examples, I need a couple of minutes. Kailangan ko ng ilang minuto. I bought a couple of apples. Bumili ako ng 2 mansanas. In everyday conversation, a couple of often sound more natural than simply saying two. To put one's mind to, meaning to decide to work hard on something and make it happen, pagtuunan ng isip at pagsikapan. Examples, if you put your mind to it, you can learn English. Kung pag-iigihan mo at pagtutuunan mo ito ng isip, matututo kang mag-English. She can achieve anything if she put her mind to it. Kaya niyang makamit ang anumang bagay basta determinado siya at pagsisikapan niya ito. Pretty much, meaning almost, basically, more or less, halos sa madaling salita. Examples, I pretty much finished with my work. Halos tapos na ako sa trabaho ko. Easy way remember, pretty much, almost, basically. These are very useful casual English expressions, especially for everyday conversations. Like none other, meaning very special or unique, walang katulad, kakaiba. She has a voice like none other. Ang boses niya ay walang katulad. This place often an experience like none other. Nagbibigay ang lugar na ito ng karanasang walang katulad. All year long, meaning throughout the entire year, buong taon na tuloy-tuloy. Examples, this store is open all year long. Bukas ang tindahan ito, buong taon. She works hard all year long. Masipag siyang nagtatrabaho buong taon. To bump into, meaning to meet someone unexpectedly, makasalubong, biglang makita o makatagpo ng isang tao. Examples, I bumped into my old friend at the supermarket. Bigla kong nakasalubong ang dati kong